Welcome back, everyone. We are getting ready to get started to do our DCPS learning packet for math for week 5, day 4. We want to thank Mr. Bernal for all the hard work that he did with us earlier this week. For our daily fluency, we are going to fill in the missing numbers in this skip counting pattern. Let's look at the first problem, problem A. First, we have to determine what is the amount that we have skipped. So if I look at A, I see that I'm starting off with the number 15. When I go from 15 to 25, what is the change? Well, I see that I have a 1 in the tens place, but I have a 2 in this tens place. The ones remain the same. So if I jumped from 110 to 210, that means I've jumped 10 spaces. So let's see if that is correct. So let's look at the next pattern. We have 25 and 35. Did I jump 10? You are correct. In order to complete the pattern, I have to continue to jump 10. So let's see. I want you to press the pause button and see if you can complete the rest of A. So let's see what the missing numbers were. When we started, we started at 15, 25, 35, 45 was a missing number. 55, 65 is our next missing number. 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125. Let's go to B. Remember, we have to find out what is the amount that we have skipped. The way that we do it is by looking at the numbers in the pattern. We have 6 as our first number and 12. How far away is 6 from 12? Well, let me see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 is 6 steps away from 12. So you have to hop 6 spaces. Well, let me make sure that this is my pattern. So if I started at 12 and I stopped at 18, is that 6 away? Let's see. I'll count it off. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yep, it's 6 away. So from 12 to 18 is 6 away. That means I'm counting by the number 6. Please press pause and see if you can finish this number pattern. All right, let's see. So when we were hopping on letter B, we hopped from 6 to 12, 12 to 18, from 18 to 24, 24 to 30, from 30 to 36, from 36 to 42, from 42 to 48, from 48 to 54, from 54 to 60, from 60 to 66, and from 66 to 72. I want you to try C and D on your own.
Today, we're going to talk about how to distinguish even and odd numbers. And we have two friends here that will help us today. We have Even Steven and Odd Todd. Well, they might be best friends, but they do not like the same things. Let's see why. Even Steven loves to count by the number 2. Odd Todd does not. Even Steven likes when things are in pairs or partners. Odd Todd does not. So let's take some numbers and see if this would be an even Steven number or an odd Todd number. 1. Do I have a partner? Do I have a pair? No, something's left out. So it's an odd Todd number. The number 1 is odd Todd number. How about the number 2? 1, 2. These two are paired together. Oh, that's an even Steven number because you have a partner. And even Steven likes to count by 2s. How about if we have the number 3? I'm going to just draw a line here to represent our rows. How about we have the number 3? These two are paired together. This one's by itself. Doesn't have a partner. It's an odd number. The number 4. Here's a pair with a partner. Here's a pair, a group of partners. The number 4 is definitely an even Steven number. How about the number 5? Here are partners. These two are partners. This one's by itself. It's an odd number. The number 6. I have a partner here, and a partner here. That's an even Steven number. Let's look at the number 7. Partner here, a partner here, a partner here. This one's by itself, odd. How about the number 8? Let's see. These two are partners, these two are partners, these two are partners, and these two are partners. So it's an even Steven number. The number 9. Let's see. These two are partners, these two are partners, these two are partners, these two are partners, and no partner for him. He's an odd number, that number 9. What about the number 10? Partner, a partner, a partner, a partner, a partner. Let's try this number. The number, I'm going to move these over just a little bit. The number 11. I have a partner here, a partner here, a partner here, a partner here, a partner here. By himself. How about the number 12? Partner here, partners are here, partners here, partner here, partner here, partner here. Number 12 is an even number. Let's try the number 13. They have partners. This one has a partner. These are partners. These are partners. This one's a partner. This is a partner. Left by himself. 13 is an odd number. So let's stop for a second. How about another number that we did not discuss and we always start a counting pattern off with? The number 0. Well, what if I take all my counters off of my rows and I'm going to push them down here really quickly? How about the number 0? Is it even or is it odd? Well, let's see. On this row, what do I have? Nothing. On this row, what do I have? Nothing. Nothing and nothing can be a partner? They sure can. The number 0 is also an even number because no partner here plus no partner here gives you 0. So these numbers are the even numbers that we have. We have the numbers 0, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wait a minute. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait a minute. I see something in the number 10. I see that in the number 10 I have a 0. And the number 2, in the number 12, I have the number 2. So, all even numbers have in the ones place a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, a 8. So, okay, that's what makes them even. They have a partner. So 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numbers. And if I have a number like 10 that has a 0 in the ones place, it's even too. Let's look at OddOdd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. I see something here again. In the number 11, I have a 1 in the ones place. And the number 13, I have a 3 in the ones place. But I see 1 and 3 up here. So, if your number has a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, or 9 in the ones place, then it's an odd number. Wow! Isn't it nice to learn about even and odd? Now, let's see what happens when we have an even number and we add an odd number. We have the number 24. There are 24 chips here, and we're going to add 1. So 24 plus 1 is 25. Is that an even number or is that an odd number? If you said odd, you are correct. It's an odd number because the number 25 ends with the number 5. And we know the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. Well, let's look at this problem again. This time, instead of adding, we're going to take 1 away. Let's see what happens now. If I have 24 and I take 1 away, that's an odd number. No partner here, right? 24 minus 1 is 23. It is odd. It is odd because in the number 23, in the ones place, it is a 3. There's a 3, and we know the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd. Good job.
Let's do the let's try together. Label the bold numbers as even or odd in the space provided. Well, we have the number 13. We know that we always look in the ones place to determine whether it's even and odd. I know 3 is odd, so this number would be an odd number. So if I have an odd number plus a 1, I have 14. Well, I look at 14. I look in the ones place as well. There's a 4. I know 4 is an even number. So, an odd number plus 1 is going to give me an even number. Let's look at the number 16. I want you to pause the tape and write whether 16 is even or odd. If you said 16 was an even number, you are correct. Because of the 6 in the ones place, that number is even. Now, 16 minus 1 equals 15. Is 15 even or odd? If you said that 15 is odd, you are correct. Now let's go to the second part. Are the bold numbers even or odd? Circle the answer and explain how you know. The number 21. Look at the number 21. Remember, focus in on the ones place. I want you to circle and write your answer. Please press pause. If you said that 21 is odd, you are correct. 21 is odd because you cannot have equal groups. They don't have all of the counters wouldn't have partners. Now, try the number 34. Is 34 even or is it odd? If you said that 34 is an even number, you are correct. 34 is even because you can have equal groups. Now, I want you to go on to the problem set. I want you to complete the problem set on your own. Remember, even and odd numbers. Try it for yourself. Goodbye. See you tomorrow for day 5. Take care.